In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Redbubble. First, open up your internet browser and type in Redbubble in the search bar. Once you've navigated to the Redbubble website, you'll want to sign up as an artist. This is a straightforward process where you'll be prompted to fill in some basic information to create your account. Importantly, try to select a unique profile name that reflects your brand or artistic identity, as this will form the basis of your shop's branding. With your account active, it's time to make it more visually and personally compelling. Upload a profile image and a cover photo. This personalization will help create a connection with those who visit your shop. Additionally, write a short bio that introduces you, your artistic viewpoint, and what customers can expect from your work. A thoughtful and engaging profile can make a significant difference in attracting potential buyers. Next, it's crucial to set up your payment and address details in the account settings. This step ensures that you'll be able to receive payments for your sales effortlessly. Always double-check this information for accuracy, so your earnings make it to you without any hitches. Now, let's dive into adding your work. Hover over your profile picture or username and select Add New Work. This is the fun part where your creativity can shine. After selecting this, you'll have the opportunity to upload your design files. For the best display, it's recommended to use high-resolution files in JPEG, PNG, or GIF formats, ensuring that your files are at least 1000 pixels in resolution for quality assurance. Once your file is uploaded, provide a descriptive title and add up to 15 comma-separated tags. This helps potential buyers discover your work based on keywords. Also, share a story or offer an explanation about your artwork. This narrative can be a nice touch to engage your audience and give them insight into your creative process. After that, you'll choose the products you want your design to appear on. Redbubble offers a variety of items such as t-shirts, mugs, and stickers, among others. Once you've selected your product types, take the time to customize the settings for each. This includes adjusting the position, scaling, and even the background color of your design on the products to ensure it looks its best. Before finalizing, you have the option to adjust the default markup percentage. Increasing this can boost your potential profit from each sale. However, find a balance to keep your prices competitive. For organizational purposes, group similar designs into collections. This helps customers navigate through your work more easily, potentially increasing the likelihood of a purchase. Finally, it's time to publish your work. Once it's live, promoting your shop on social media and among your network can significantly increase visibility and attract more buyers. Good luck with your Redbubble shop.